It's the last day in Gold Coast. Let's go, guys. All over the buildings around here. So we're going to catch the train. Is it train or metro? What you call them? It's electric kind of train, right? Light rail? Yeah, light rail. Sorry, yeah. So we can. Are in Cypress Avenue station. So we are going to Broadway Beach. This is the map you can see. So we're going to go another 4 or 5 stations. We're waiting for the tram. It's going to come from this way and we're going to go to the other side. So let's see how far they can bring us. Yelena, come. Come, Yelena. Yelena. Let's go wait for the train. It's coming soon.
Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me, adore me. Go on now, adore me, adore me. Oh, so cruel. Oh, so
As we are in Broad Beach South in Gold Coast, so this is the last station. We just catch a train and now we're waiting for the next one to go back. Juliana, do you want to say something? A nice place around, you can see. Do you want to say something? I know you're sick, sorry. Are you okay? And it's due now. Nobody can open the door now, I guess. Going, bye-bye. This is going towards other side. Bye bye.